Most of our clients enlist us to build their business processes in Power Apps. Most of the time, they don't know that Power Automate is actually used to facilitate the data movement inside of that Power App. Power Apps are typically built on top of SharePoint lists or Dataverse. Well, Power Automate has a deep connection with both of those data sources. So there's a lot of use cases inside of Power Automate that we can build to facilitate all of the processes across your organization. Power Automate is Microsoft's process automation tool. Power Automate can help facilitate data integration and automated email sending. Power Automate also has deep integration with the other Microsoft Power Platform tools such as Power BI and Power Apps.
Power Automate is a way to automate very repetitive business tasks that you may have. If you need to save a file from an email every day into a folder, Power Automate can do that for you, so you don't have to think about it anymore. Small tasks like that, Power Automate can help out with. One problem that is easily solved with Power Automate is, let's say you have to send a personalized email to like 200 people communicating some kind of a salary change. You can just upload a spreadsheet with maybe the change for each individual person, and you can set up a template in Power Automate and then have it send out automatically to the correct recipient with their relevant information without worrying about any copy and paste errors that a human might make or having to just spend so much time copying and pasting 200 emails together. Another one is if you have to move a file from an email into a folder every day. So let's say you get a report 6 a.m. or so with a certain subject line in the email. You can easily tell Power Automate, every time I get this email, just save this file into this folder on SharePoint or OneDrive or anything like that.
One of the biggest use cases we see Power Automate used for is the data integration for Dataverse. And Dataverse is basically the database behind Power Apps and some of the Dynamics 365 modules. Power Automate can be used to transfer data between one table in Dataverse to another table in Dataverse. So for example, let's say your salesperson comes in, creates a sales lead. That lead then needs to trigger other status changes, let's say in the customer table. Well, we can use Power Automate to get triggered off of the sales lead creation and update the customer record.
Collectiv has helped multiple different clients across different industries with Power Automate, and we can either use our expertise to build our Power Automate flows in-house and export them to you, or we can help your team with building them in your tenant. Whatever's going to be easiest for your group, we can definitely help you out with our expertise.
Collectiv consultants are often cross-trained in both Power BI as well as Power Apps and Power Automate. So we use our data skills, not just building reports, but actually bringing that into the business processes. Most of our consultants were actually business personnel prior to coming to Collectiv. Because our Collectiv consultants have this business process knowledge, we can have those conversations with your team to help identify those inefficiencies and how we can improve that.
So if you have a repetitive business task that you don't want to keep doing every day, let us know and we'll help you automate it with Power Automate.